In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get directions from Google Maps using Gemini Live on Samsung Galaxy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to speak your request and move seamlessly into navigation without any confusion. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy. If it's your first time, you might see quick prompts asking for microphone and location access. Allowing those helps Gemini hear you clearly and find places near you with accurate results. Once the app is open, look for the microphone icon on the main screen. When you're ready, tap the microphone and start speaking naturally. Say something clear and simple, like, "Give me directions to the nearest restaurant." You can also be more specific, mention a type of cuisine, a neighborhood, or whether you prefer walking or driving. Speaking in a steady voice and keeping background noise low helps Gemini understand you on the first try. Gemini Live will process your request and present nearby options, often with distance, ratings, and quick summaries. It may confirm your preference, like asking if you want the closest spot or the highest rated one. Just respond briefly, "The closest one," or "Show me the top rated option." When you've picked a place, Gemini will typically offer an option to open it in Google Maps, so you can start turn-by-turn navigation right away. That handoff is smooth and fast, so you can get moving confidently. Feel free to ask follow-up questions to refine the result. You can say, "Are they open right now?" or "How long will it take if I walk?" If you see multiple choices, specify by name. "Take me to the first option," or "Navigate to the Italian place on Main Street." If you're planning ahead, you can ask for details like price range, hours, or whether they take reservations. Gemini will keep the conversation going until you have what you need. If Gemini doesn't catch something you said, just tap the microphone again and repeat the request or try rephrasing it more simply. You can also type your request if you prefer. Make sure your phone's location is on for the most accurate directions and check your data connection if results seem slow. That's all there is to it. Open Gemini, tap the microphone, ask for directions to the nearest restaurant, and use follow-ups to fine-tune your choice. Then let Google Maps guide you the rest of the way. Practice a couple of variations and you'll be getting anywhere you want quickly and hands-free.